fuel injection valve of Yanmar diesel generator. Dismantling. So first, remove the bolts or stud of the nozzle injection valve, and then remove the injection valve flange and check for any damages, and turn it upside down and put it in secure place for later purposes, because we will use this one to remove the adjusting nut and locking nut. So we are now using the 41mm spanner. So as you can see, it's very tight, so I need to use some hammer to untighten this lock nut of the injection valve, and then it came loose, and then we untighten this locking nut, and then the next is the adjusting nut. Okay, after you untighten that, the next thing to do is to untighten the nozzle holder by counterclockwise using spanner 36mm. Okay, I hope you can follow the instruction. Okay, remove it slowly, and don't forget to hold the nozzle assembly, because it may be scattered if you don't hold it. Okay, now remove the nozzle holder. Next step is to remove the spacer and nozzle assembly and check for any deterioration or damages, if we can use it or not again. Okay, check. I think, and also we need to check the needle valve of the nozzle assembly. For this one, I think we cannot use it because it is very deteriorated. And then remove the parallel pin between the spacer and the nozzle holder. Check for any damage of the surface of the nozzle holder, and then you can remove the seat of the spring. Remove it. After that, you can use some rod to remove the spring. Okay, that's it. Check for the spring, and now remove the nozzle holder and remove the spring shoe upper. Oops, I dropped the guide spring shoe. So that's it. I guess we are done here. So don't forget to like and subscribe Marine Shooter, and God bless.